Presenting the Tinker Thinker's Toolkit! Want to build better arguments? Here's what you'll need. A lunchbox! This will help you keep your energy up because good reasoning is hard work and takes time. A rope! This will help you climb out of a bad argument. A shovel. This will help you dig deep to find good reasons. A flashlight. This will help you see the difference between fake reasons and the real deal. A hammer. This will help you bash away at reasons to test their strength. A blueprint. This will help you have an idea of what a well-built argument will look like. Goggles. These will help you see the world as other people see it, full of new ideas. Gloves. These will help you handle new reasons carefully. A hard hat. This will keep you safe from when bad reasons come flying at you. Work boots. These will help you travel safely from one part of an argument to another. Are you ready to start building amazing arguments? Find out more in Tinker Thinkers.